Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you guys had a lovely Christmas. If you don't celebrate Christmas, I hope you had a good day. Today I'm going to be trying STYLE fried chicken. It looks so crispy and crunchy, so delicious and flavorful, so I definitely had to try it. So first of all, you start off by washing your chicken. Wash it thoroughly with vinegar and salt. If you don't have vinegar, you can always use lemon juice or apple cider. Once I've washed and dried the chicken, STYLE says to poke it with a knife to ensure all the seasonings that we put inside the chicken really penetrates through the chicken so the chicken can be flavorful throughout. Not just on the outside but the inside as well. So make sure you poke it very carefully, try not to cut yourself. I have cut this clip a bit shorter, but I've made sure to poke the chicken very well. Once you have finished poking the chicken, you're going to season it. Start off with salt, garlic powder. However, I didn't have the powder, I only had the granules, so I hope that's alright. Ground anise. By the way, all the ingredients will be found on her video, which I will tag down below in the description if you want all the full measurements. Ginger powder, dried thyme, chicken seasoning, onion powder, dried parsley. However, I didn't have the dry one, so I used the fresh one. And also, because I didn't have paprika, I used Cajun seasoning. So there were a few things I didn't have, but I made sure I had as many ingredients as I could. Then go in with your washed hands and marinate the meat. If you don't want to use your hands, I'm sure you can use like any other utensil, but I think using your hands is best because you can really marinate the chicken. Once you have well incorporated all the seasonings into the chicken, wrap it with cling film and pop it in the fridge for 2 hours or overnight. As we wait for the chicken to marinate, we're going to make the coating. So we start off with flour and we're going to proceed with our seasonings as well. All the ingredients will be in STYLE's video if you want to check them out. You're going to put in cornstarch, chicken seasoning, garlic powder, ginger powder, paprika. Give everything a very good mix. Guys, looking at all these seasonings, I just can tell that this is gonna be bussin'. Yes, this is gonna be fire. Especially knowing that it's made from STYLE's video, I just know it's gonna be really good.
2 hours later.
After 2 hours or overnight of letting your chicken marinate, it's time to coat it in the flour. So first of all, you're going to coat it in the flour mixture and then you're going to drop it into water or egg wash. In her video, she shows 2 types of ways you can coat your chicken, either in cold water or in egg wash and milk. I decided to go with cold water today since I didn't have any eggs. As you can see, I didn't have some ingredients today, but this chicken turned out amazing, guys. Got to say, you've got to try this for sure. Leave the chicken in the water for about 1 minute and then take it out and you're gonna drench it back into the flour. This will give you a very crispy crust, just like KFC. you have a bigger pot and smaller chicken, you can put more at a time. Just make sure you're not overcrowding your pan. Here is a little ASMR for you guys. This is now my finished chicken. It looks so crunchy. Oh my gosh, guys, when I take a bite of this, you can see how clean it is inside. It's perfectly cooked, and I just know that it's a lot healthier because knowing the ingredients that are in. So thank you so much, Rita Julie, for this recipe. It's absolutely delicious. If you see this, I really hope you enjoy, and I hope all of you viewers enjoy this video. See you guys in the next one. Stay blessed. Bye.